Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook hamburgers in an air fryer. Start by gathering your ingredients, including 1 pound of ground beef, your favorite seasonings, and hamburger buns. Form your beef into 4 patties, each about 3/4 of an inch thick, ensuring they are uniform for even cooking. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. This initial step is crucial for achieving that perfect sear and juicy interior. Carefully place your prepared patties in a single layer within the preheated air fryer basket, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook them for 8 to 12 minutes, flipping them gently halfway through the cooking time. For medium rare, aim for an internal temperature of 135 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Fahrenheit for well done. For a perfectly melted cheeseburger, add a slice of your favorite cheese to each patty during the last minute of air frying. Once cooked, remove the burgers and let them rest for 2 to 3 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring a more flavorful and tender bite. While they rest, prepare your buns and all your favorite toppings. Now it's time to assemble your delicious air-fried hamburgers. Place each juicy patty on a bun, then pile on your favorite fresh toppings like lettuce, tomato, onion, and pickles. Don't forget your preferred condiments, such as ketchup, mustard, or mayonnaise. Serve them immediately with a side of crispy fries or a fresh salad, and enjoy your perfectly cooked meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.